here at Lakeview. Happy to be back. We got shunned down to the old infield. Rocky's gonna be piloting Scott's car. Scott had a heart attack last Friday or Saturday, Sunday in that time frame. So he's gonna be out for a couple months. So Rocky's gonna be driving his car. There's Rocky right there. But got the old Lakeview car out here. Converted it back to stock D8. Ain't a whole lot to change, you know. Pretty close with my car. We got here and see what we do. Hopefully it's gonna be close. I feel like we're gonna be a little bit free. The track's a little bit greasy. It was when we went out for rolling, so we're gonna go see what happens. About to suit up, get ready to go in there for hot lap qualifying.
Top rods and collisions, RPM Speed Machine entry out of Leland for Ed Mason. And that might be it.
We've been working pretty hard out here. Tay and Brennan got the car wiped down for us, so appreciate that. We missed that on the way out of the shop this morning. Super busy. But Rocky ended up putting it on the pole. I qualified second to him, and then Rocky did the dice roll thing, put me on the front row with him. What a guy. But we're gonna get out here, we're gonna have a good time, and hopefully we'll have fun. That was kind of weird. But we're gonna go out here and have some fun with some buddies and race hard, try to keep them in one piece.
On the pole, alongside Nothin. Here they come out of turn number 4. Bringing it out, getting it started. gonna look down at the inside of Rocky Gas. Up front. Rocky Gas is going to be coming up from the rear, and that 122 is fired up. It's out.
Well, guys, we put ourselves in a good spot last night. We just didn't have luck, you know. So went out on the feature. Rocky drew a 2, and that actually put us as the pole man. Chose the outside, had a really good start, and just had a couple cautions there in the beginning. I don't know. I'm not real good when I gotta restart every lap or every 2 laps, but something I'm working on as a driver. I like long green flag runs, getting a rhythm. Anyhow, I really felt like that was going to be our race. However, we lost power steering in the car. Power steering belt, got V-belts on this thing, and the power steering belt come off. Luckily, the fan belt stayed on. I run it as hard as I could for as long as I could, but it got to be a handful, and ended up spinning out there, and yeah, that part sucked. But just want to say appreciate everything Tay does with the videoing, everything she does with the merch stuff, and just you know, wiping the car down at track. She really helps out, and I appreciate her for doing that. I want to give her a big shout out. So make sure you go to the old Checker Brunette and check her out. And also want to thank everybody with Rocky's crowd. Every time we go to the racetrack, they show up and they help out. Brennan was helping Taylor wipe the car down. Thought that was pretty cool. But yeah, just a lot of people to thank. All these sponsors on the car: Dax and Mike Stello and Renegade Race Fuels, Checker Brunette, obviously the YouTube channel. But just you know, we had a really good night going, and kind of just didn't have the luck go our way, and had some unfortunate stuff happen. So anyhow, we had fun. It's pretty cool that Rocky and I put it 1-2. That was our plan. And yeah, so now we are going to we got the modified in the shop. Chris Warner's modified, put it in the shop this morning. We're gonna actually sell this car right here. So this car's for sale. Both the black cars are for sale. Camaro's for sale. Anybody wants them, get with me. They're gonna be rollers. The stock V8. This is a Thunder Bomber, so people that run Thunder Bomber, that car is legal for Thunder Bomber. It doesn't have screw jacks. It's got stock firewall, stock floor pan. Same deal with the Thunder Bomber. She's kind of been pushed out in the weeds. We just ain't got room for the shop. But this car's a really good car. It's going to be sold as a roller as well. So, and there'll be some extra wheels and tires and stuff come with the car, or the cars. But the biggest thing is, they're gonna be rollers. I'll probably take like $5,500 for this car that we've been running at Sumter. Run it 3 times this year. Got 2 top 3s. Finished 2nd and finished 3rd. And then we heard a motor. So the stock V8 from Lakeview, we got a little bit more money in that one. I'll take $6,000 for it, and it'll be a roller. So basically, I'm keeping my motors, keeping my seats, and keeping my my gears, and these things go down the road. So if anybody's interested, get with me, message me on Facebook, or however, comment down here, and I'll give you a way to get a hold of me. Hate to do it, but we got us a opportunity we're going to take advantage of. Mr. BJ Sanders with Flying 9 Race Cars is going to build us a chassis, and we're going to build a car from the ground up. Then also traded the 602 late model and got a really, really nice Fike Fab car. Excited to try that one out, just because they're doing a lot of different stuff on it. So we gotta get it where my seat fits. Right now the steering wheel is sitting on my lap and I can't reach the pedal, so we're going to do some work on it and see if we can get it where I can fit in that car, and we're going to go and try it out. But like I say, both these cars are for sale. Y'all interested, go get up with me. We need to get them going. I got too many race cars. So we're trying to downsize a little bit. It's been real tough on me all year trying to keep up 3 cars. Just get with me on them. We'll figure something out. And yeah, appreciate all you guys watching. I'm probably forgetting something. I'm still tired. We didn't get home until about 3 in the morning. So anyhow, we will catch you on the next video. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, all that kind of good stuff.